friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Não, skipa não, tá louco?
Eu botei skip.
It was a big one, but we shouted to the limits, we were learning quicker. Never smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never it, so we were make the steady figure. Once Daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about the glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. Lindo. I only see my goals, I don't believe in fakers. I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if you don't need me before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story. Once I was 20 years old. Pode chorar. Soon we'll be 30 years old now. Songs around the world and we still are only. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell the stories. Most of my boys are with me somewhere still wants. So we'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I roll a letter run. I hope my children come be busy once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold or will I have a lot of children? Soon I'll be 60 years old. When I think the world is cold, I will have a lot of children who can want me. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 70 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Tá acabando. Once I was 7 years old.
Vai vir a minha agora.
Once I was 7 years old.